Hey guys, Courtney here. And by the end of this video, we will create an iOS application that connects to the ChainSafe Gaming SDK that will display the player's account. Okay, so the first thing we're going to need to do here is to create a new project, and we can just give it any name. We're going to name this one Mobile. Then create our project. Drag and drop in the Web3 Unity package. And click on Import. All right, so now that this project is imported, what we're going to want to do here is just basically set up the scene for it and create a UI element that is going to display the logged in user's account address once they have verified and signed the initial transaction through the login process. The next thing that we're going to do here is to create a script. And what this is going to do is allow us to get the logged in user's account and then to display it to that text element. We will access the Unity UI to get access to the text object from Unity. And then access the player account through player prefs, and then assign the account that we get from MetaMask to the player account object. We will select the player account object and drag over the player account script and associate that with the player account object. We can now just adjust the player account object, text object, so that it would be better displayed on the screen. And now we will set up the scenes. Firstly, switching the platform to iOS, because that's going to be the mobile build that we want to target. And then we will drag the wallet login scene and then the sample scene that we just worked in. Now we can build and run. Creating a new folder for our build. We're just naming it iOS build. And now this will create a XCode project for us. We're going to go into the signing and capabilities. We will automatically sign and then choose a team. This will just be the personal team. Making sure that we have a phone connected. And then we can build and deploy to this device. Giving it some time for XCode to build out a project for us. And now we'll see our application running on the device. We will select Login. We will sign this message. We will copy the signature to the clipboard. And then return back to the application. And there we have it. That's the account that we logged in with. And if you've done this, you've been successful in creating your first iOS application with the ChainSafe Gaming SDK. Bye for now.